In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Word file in Google Docs. Whether you're switching from Microsoft Word, collaborating with someone who sent you a DOCX file, or you simply want to edit your document online without installing any software, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. This is one of the most useful features in Google Drive, and once you learn it, you'll be able to work on your documents from anywhere super convenient. First, open your Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for school, work, or personal use. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar at the top and type in the name of the Word file you want to open. If the file isn't uploaded yet, you can simply drag it from your computer into Google Drive or click on New, then File Upload to upload it manually. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, once you locate your Word file inside Google Drive, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for Open With and then select Google Docs. Google Docs will instantly begin converting your Word file into an editable Google Docs format. This process usually takes only a second or two, depending on your internet speed and the size of the document. The file will then open in a new tab, ready for you to edit, format, and update. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Word file isn't password protected, because Google Docs won't open locked files. Also, double-check your formatting after converting. Sometimes complex Word layouts may shift slightly, especially if the original file included special fonts or tables. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, your Word file is now fully editable in Google Docs. You can rewrite content, change formatting, add comments, and even collaborate with others in real time. After that, you should be able to save it as a Google Doc or download it back as a Word file without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to rename the converted file right away so you don't confuse it with the original version. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays organized and easy to find later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to open any Word file in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?